Hey everybody, welcome to week 7. So this is the start of week 7, but I'm actually recording this on Saturday morning, so we're still in week 6 technically, and I'm trying to do this quickly because the house is abuzz with activity and kids are going this way and my wife and I are going this way, so busy, but I don't want time to get away without making some videos for week 7 for all of you guys. We're right here at the end. We've been going through all of Microsoft Office, and we're kind of at the end of our time with Microsoft Office, getting to something that can be a lot of fun and can be very interesting, and that is PowerPoint. All right, PowerPoint. For those of you who are Office friends, remember that episode, right? PowerPoint. It's far more than that, though. Okay, PowerPoint is the presentation software that Microsoft Office provides. This is where you're going to put together information if you were going to give a presentation at work or in one of your classes. Like this class, you're going to be doing that this week. But PowerPoint is far more than just organizing things so you can give a presentation to people. You can do a lot of other things with PowerPoint. There's some really fun things, in fact. You can put together a slide, a photo collage for a baby shower or for a wedding shower or something like that. You can do all sorts of things there in terms of, putting together, a memories thing for somebody who passed away, for a funeral or something like that. Basically, it's taking information and it's putting it in some sort of visual form, and it's letting you organize it, it's letting you design it, it's letting you do all sorts of things to it to make the presentation as good as possible. Now, some of you may have used PowerPoint before, maybe not. Those of you who have used it, let's say you used it 10 years ago or 5 years ago, PowerPoint has actually changed a lot, even in the past 3 or 4 years, largely because of Office 365, the web-based version, and then the fact that you can have that desktop version as well. We've been talking a lot about those two things in lecture, right? For Excel or PowerPoint or Outlook, we've got a web-based version, then we've got a more robust kind of desktop version that you can download to your computer. Same thing applies to PowerPoint. So when you're doing your PowerPoint work this week, use the desktop version because you're going to have the fuller kind of list of options, so you can do a lot more with PowerPoint if you're using that desktop version. So it's a good thing to do. Now, you'll learn more about that in this in lecture this week. There are a lot of videos that we've redone all the videos, so a lot of them are very step-by-step kinds of things. Look at the end of the lecture because there is going to be some assistance there when it comes to doing the PowerPoint assignment for this week. So that's what we're going to be dealing with this week. Now, this is week 7, so that means we're almost at the end. We've got a week and a half left. And it's not even a week and a half. It's kind of like a week and a quarter. It's small. So what's going to happen is that on Friday of week 7, so this coming Friday, week 7.5 starts. Okay? So Monday to next Saturday is week 7. Week 7.5 starts on Friday, overlaps, and ends on Monday, which is the last day of the term. So just be aware of that. I will post another announcement just to let you know about that, but know that there is going to be that little bit of overlap this coming weekend that you want to be aware of, okay? There's not a ton to do in week 7.5, but there are some important things that we need to do. There's a quiz you need to take and a short reflection. You don't need to worry about that. It's going to be perfectly fine. So just be mindful of that. Now, we're going to have discussion again. You guys have been really into a lot of the discussion topics, so we're going to do the same thing. We've got some really cool topics this week, and I think I might start with maybe 2 and then add a third one, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, something that's just a little bit more interesting or fun. Get into discussion. I'll have a video there as well, and we'll see where those topics take us. It should be a fun week, though, folks. There's a lot of really fun things to keep us busy all week. Thanks.